Good day! In this video, I will show you on how to create a new Google Colab notebook. Again, before anything else, I would like to show you some settings or reminders. We need to check whether your Google Colab is installed or not. So to do this, go to another tab and access your drive.google.com. To verify if you have access to a Google Colab, just go to the new button here and hover your mouse here at the more options. Then be sure you see this Google Collaboratory link. If you can see this one, you can be able to create a new Google Colab notebook. But if you cannot see it, what you need to do is click this Connect More Apps here, and then the Google Workspace Marketplace will load. Search for Google Colab here, and then just search for the Collaboratory Notebook app here. And if it's installed and you cannot see here in the new link and more, and there is no Google Collaboratory link here, what you will do is just again search it, then click this Collaboratory, then just uninstall and install it again. So uninstall, click uninstall app, and then you will again install this Collaboratory software. Then just click continue, wait for it to be installed. Choose the account where you would like to install the Google Collaboratory. In my case, it's my account. Then you can see that you just check this one so that it will be the default app to open that .ipynb in your Google Drives. Just click OK, then click Done, and click the exit button here, and be sure to check again New, More, and Google Collaboratory. So our first method on how to create a new Google Colab notebook is through your Google Drive interface. So just go to the New and this More, and you can now use this Google Collaboratory link here. Just click this one, and a new Google Colab will open in a Google tab. So just wait it to load, and by default your file name would be untitled 0, and a cell will be automatically created. So you can click the delete cell here to delete it. The other method is you can go again to your drive, then right click here, and then click more, and then Google Collaboratory, and then wait for it to load, and then just click this one, and then your new notebook will appear here. Okay, and as you can see, this time if you follow the creation of initial notebooks using your Google Drive, you will not see a Colab Notebooks special folder here. So the best practice is always to use the Colab Notebooks special folder. So how can this Colab Notebooks folder appear for the first time? So to do that, I will now show you how to create a new notebook using the Google Colab website. So again, go to the Google Colab website at colab.research.google.com. Then upon entering it, you will be redirected again this dialog box. Then you just create this new notebook. Just click it, and a new notebook will be opened. Again, it has an untitled 0. This time, when you check your My Drive, just refresh it. You now have the Colab Notebook special folder that I have been mentioning. So in best practice and recommendation, you should save all your notebooks here inside the folder. And you can also create subfolders here. Okay? Then another way is when a notebook is opened and you want again a new notebook, just click this file menu and click the new notebook submenu here. When you click it again, a new notebook with this time an increment of 1 is in the titled, untitled one, then you're ready to manipulate your notebook. Okay, so that's the ways on how you create your new notebook in Google Colab. Thank you for watching.